Good morning, boys and girls. Today is day one of our mixed vowel word families, ik, ak, ok, and uk. And you know that the first thing we need to do is we need to make our words. So I need you to take your paper, fold it in half, fold it in half again. Remember to make your folds nice and tight. And fold them in half this way. Fold them in half one more time. Remember, we have to fold it until we see 4 lines. And right now I have more than 4, so I need to fold it in half one more time. And then we need to hit it a little harder so our folds are nice and tight. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. Yep. So then when you're done, you know to open your paper. And I need you to take a pencil marker or crayon and trace your folded lines. See those little lines that I get from folding? Pause your video here. I already traced mine, so we are going to look at mine. Let me turn this light off, see if that works better. I have traced mine, so now we're going to go ahead and write down our words. And as always, we're going to start with our header. And our headers are ak. And remember, when there's a hyphen first, that means the word comes first. And this is our ending. Ik, ak, and uk. Then I'm going to start with our words. So my first word is snack. Ooh, I love a snack. Remember, we're writing neatly and we're writing over 2 lines. So they're nice and big. Snack. And I can see there's an ak, so it goes over here. My next word is chick. Chick. Oh, I see the ik, so it goes right in here. Sock. I see my ok ending, so it goes in here. Duck. Duck has a uk ending, so it goes over here. Luck. Luck has the uk ending, so it goes in this column. Tuck. It has the uk ending, so it goes in my last column. Lock. Do you lock the door? Lock. It has the uk ending, so it goes right here. Clock. We just learned all about our clock. And it has the uk ending, so it goes in this column. Lick. It has the ik ending, so it goes over here. Pick. Pick. Ik goes over here. Tack. Tack. It has the ak ending, so it goes over here. Pack. Pack. It has the ak ending, so it goes over here in our first column. Back. It has the ak ending, so it goes over here. Rack. Again, ak ending over here. My next word is sick. Oh no, I hope you don't get sick. And sick has the ick ending. It goes over here. Tick. Tick. If a tick bites you, you can get sick. And it's in the ick ending. Rock. It has the ock ending, so it goes over here. Block. It also has the ock ending, so it goes over here. Stuck. It has the uck ending, so it goes over here. Truck. It also has the uck ending and goes over here. Pluck. It has the uck ending and goes over here. Shock. It has the ock ending and goes right here. Quick. Remember when it's a Q, you put the little line over there. Quick. And it has the ick ending. It goes right here. Kick. Can you kick a ball? Kick. It has the ick ending and goes right there. Snack. We already had snack. That's twice on my list. Rack. We already did. So we are on black. And it has the ack ending, so it goes right here. All right. That is our words for this week. So I hope you take a minute, pause the video if you have to, finish writing them down. When you're done writing them down, cut them out. When you're done cutting them out, sort them, take a picture, and put it on Class Dojo so I see how amazing your word sort looks. See you next time, my little friends.